Step 1. Arrange the TV set accessories in order as in the video. Step 2. Use headless screws to fix the connection points between each crossbar and vertical bar. Step 3. Insert the fixed support frame into the floor stand. Then use the M10-8 screw to lock the left and right vertical bar to the floor stand. Use crosshead screws to fix all screw holes in the front. Step 4. Install the panels in order as arrangement. Use M6-18 screws to connect the related panels to the connector plate on the bar as in the video. Step 5. Install the bottom beam and fix it to the floor stand with screws. Use M48 screws to connect the first row panels with bottom beam. Step 6. Install the rest panels. Use M6-12 screws to connect each neighboring upper and lower panel. Use the front connector and M48 screws to fix the neighboring panels in the left-right, up-down direction. Can use electric screwdriver. Repeat the previous steps. Install the rest panels, one by one in sequence. Use the right screws to fix each panel. Each panel is equipped with a positioning pin on its top, which enables quick assembly. Install left and right, up and down aluminum edge. Use M48 screws to fix the edge with panels. Use M46 screws to fix the meeting system card to the bottom beam. Step 8. Connect all the signal and power cables between panels. This is the finished appearance after the assembly of all cabinets. Start pasting module below. Install modules in sequence according to the corresponding serial numbers and directions. It is suggested to start pasting the modules from the lower left corner. Installation completed.